Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English learning podcast. I am happy to have you here. If you are a beginner learning English, this podcast is for you. Today we are going to talk about small steps, big progress. Don't worry about difficult English. I will use simple words and short sentences. You can listen, repeat, and practice with me. So let us begin. Part 1. Start small. Many people want to learn English quickly. They say, I want to speak English perfectly. But learning a language takes time. You do not need to learn everything in one day. Start with small steps. Learn 5 new words today. Speak 5 simple sentences. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Read a short story. These small activities can make a big differences. Remember, small steps every day can create big results. Now repeat after me. I will learn English every day. I will practice speaking. I will not be afraid of mistakes. Very good. Part 2. One of the biggest problems for English learners is fear. They think, what if I make a mistake? What will other people think? Maybe my English is not good. But mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning something new. When a baby learns to speak, the baby makes many mistakes. But the baby keeps trying. The baby listens. The baby repeats. The baby learns. You should do the same. If you say, I go yesterday, that is okay. The correct sentence is I went yesterday. No, you know something new? So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Repeat. I can make mistakes. I can learn from my mistakes. I will keep trying. Excellent. Part 3. Now let us practice some simple English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat. Sentence 1. My name is Mahesh. Now repeat. My name is Mahesh. Sentence 2. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. Sentence 3. I practice English every day. Repeat. I practice English every day. Sentence 4. I like listening to English. I like listening to English. Repeat. I like listening to English. Sentence 5. I want to speak English confidently. I want to speak English confidently. Repeat. I want to speak English confidently. Great job. I want to speak English confidently. So you don't have to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly. With regular practice, your speaking will become better. One day Ravi decided to participate for 10 minutes every day. On the first day he learned 5 words. On the second day he learned 5 more words. Every morning he spoke English for 5 minutes. Every evening he listened to English for 10 minutes. At first it was difficult. He made many mistakes. But he didn't stop. After 1 month, Ravi could understand more English. After 3 months, he could speak simple sentences. After 6 months, he became much more confident. Ravi learned an important lesson. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. And that lesson is important for you too. Your daily English routine.